Even though I am the mother of two beautiful and smart daughters pursuing their passions in clinical psychology and telecoms engineering, and a beautiful and smart son pursuing his passion in aviation, all raised as equals in my home, and even though I am the author of Mother Behold Thy Son, a gender equality book that affirms maternal power and its capability to dismantle patriarchy. And even though I offer the view that gender equality is not just about empowering girls and women, but also about liberating our boys and men from the clutches of patriarchy. And even though I stand firm in my maternal power, I wasn't always standing in my power. I was born girl number 3 in a succession of girls in 1970. Society tends to value boys more than it values girls. So I was born into the energy of you are not enough. Does that ring a bell with anybody? If it does, you are not alone. You see, I took punches for being smarter than some boys in primary school. In secondary school, a young man felt entitled to my body. The temperature in my body was rising, not out of desire, but out of fear. I could think nothing. I could say nothing. I could do nothing. I froze. By remaining silent, did I give that young man permission to violate me? No! That day, I was an innocent young girl. I had not known a man that way. Even as a married woman, it took me 12 years to extract myself from a toxic environment. And it was through walking in the valley of inequality that I began to awaken to the truth that I am an equal human being with equal rights, deserving equal treatment. And I vowed to stand up, to speak up, and I had to write up, Mother, behold thy son. Mother, behold thy son invites mothers to step into their maternal power and begin to intentionally schedule and teach gender equality and humanity in the home. Mother, behold thy son invites everybody to jettison toxic masculinity and to move from boys will be boys to boys will be responsible, boys will be boys to boys will be accountable. And also to offer safe spaces for our boys and men to express themselves without being shamed or blamed or ridiculed. Are you willing to join me in the movement that is dismantling patriarchy? Patriarchy, a system that pits brother against sister, husband against wife, partner against partner, co-worker against co-worker, because it tells men that they are more entitled to power, to respect, to money. Are you willing to join me so that we can live a life of more equality, love, and freedom in this world? Boys and men, are you willing to rely more on the power of love as opposed to the love of power? My name is Francesca Ndaiziwe Mandea. I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Thank you for listening.